Well, hello there, friends. Another fantastic chicken recipe, Chicken Paprikash. I'm gonna make it my way. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Stay tuned, friends. Chicken Paprikash. We're doing it right now together. Well, hello there, friends. Another chicken. A lot of you have asked for chicken recipes. I can understand with the price of everything these days. Chicken is still more expensive, but it's not as expensive as buying meat and everything else. So we decided, and fish, mamma mia, did you see the price of fish these days? It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna make a chicken leg paprikash, the way I make it. So the ingredient, relax. It's probably not traditional, but we don't do anything traditional in this channel. This is a fun cooking channel. We have fun with it. So friends, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with onion. You remember, right? Onion is always number one. Unless there's bacon. All right, I got a little clarified butter. If you don't have clarified butter, the link over there, friends. Go check it out. I'm telling you, it stays in the fridge. Look, I'll show you. Oh, no, I don't have it here, because I used it all. It stays in your fridge for months. I promise you. You do it really quick. It's like an oil, except it's butter, because it's butter. And we're going to put some onion. I got one big onion that I cut in little strips. You see right there, friends? So you cut them, boom, 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 and then you cut them in half. There's a link out there show you how to do it. All right? Look, guys. Put the onion in there. All right? And we're going to caramelize them, because remember, they're always number one. Always number one. Don't put them with the pepper at the same time with the celery and the carrots. Hey, mamma mia. All right, look, guys. I got all right there. I'm going to prepare the chicken leg. I got the chicken leg right there. And I got flour here. I got about 2-3 cups of flour. I got about 3 tablespoons of paprika. I'm going to put a little bit of cayenne. Be careful with the cayenne. Eh? Whoa, too much cayenne, friends. And a little bit of salt. And we're going to skip the pepper. We're going to mix this up really quick. This is just to give our flour a little color, and we're going to dust the chicken, and then we're going to saute it, you see? So this is very simple. And we're going to put more paprika, and I'm using an Hungarian paprika. Use whatever makes you happy, friends, okay? Remember, this is not like, well, you got to do this, you got to do this. Do whatever you feel like it. You know, this is cooking, not rocket science. And I tell everybody all the time, my friends, if you're not having fun in the kitchen, you're not doing it right. That's all. This is a playground. It's supposed to be playful. It's supposed to have a good time. If you're not having a good time in the kitchen, you're not planning, you're not reading the recipe, you're not doing the right thing. I'm going to do a video, how to have fun in the kitchen. What do you need to have fun in the kitchen? That's going to be a new video I'm going to be doing. How to have fun in the kitchen. I like it. You like it? I think it's a fun video. Jack, do you like it? Jack likes it. We're in good shape. All right, friends, we're going to put the flour right there. How to have fun in the kitchen. I love it. I'm going to show you how to have fun, because I'm telling you what, if you know how to do it, it's a lot of fun. That's the whole idea. It's supposed to be fun. If you're not having fun, you're not doing it right. That's all there is to it. All right, friends, we're taking the chicken. I got the whole leg. I took the skin off. Now you're going to say, well, I like the skin. You know, I like the skin too. If it's going to be roasted, if it's going to be grilled, I like the skin too, okay? But guess what? I don't like the skin if it's braised. Braised means it's in a liquid. And the skin is going to be soggy. Not going to be crispy skin when you braise it in a liquid. So what's the sense of having it? None. None, I'm telling you. So I make my own skin with the flour and the paprika. Okay, so you'll see. Chicken skin is only good if it's crispy. If it's soggy, not so good. All right, so do it however you want. If you want it with the skin, you do it with the skin. Plus, we're going to use that flour to thicken, my friend. All right, let me wash my hand really quick. And then what we're going to do, friends, we're going to saute the chicken. We're going to get a beautiful golden brown. Now, you can do it in the same pots. Okay, you want to save a pot? Do it in the same pot. It'll be perfectly fine. to do it in the same pot, but I promise you, friends, it's easier. Let me tell you why it's easier. The reason why it's easier to do it in a fry pan, because then you don't have to deal with the flour that's stuck to the bottom of the pot. Because if you do this right there, you're gonna, oh, mamma mia, do the good sides first. It doesn't matter what side first. Sometimes I come up with some ideas. I'm wondering, what did I come up with this idea for? I do things sometimes, 50 years I've been doing it, I'm wondering, what the hell am I doing this for? And then I wonder, no reason, probably that's because I was taught that way. You know, when you're in a commercial kitchen all your life, when I was young, it's a long time ago, and a chef would tell you to do something, you would say, yes, chef. That's all you were supposed to say. Yes, chef. Okay? Not like, why? No. Yes, chef. And if you ask why, he would tell you, that's no, because I tell you to do it. And at the time, you know, we didn't have the research. Certainly didn't have the experience. I'm 14 years old in a commercial kitchen. I certainly did not have the research we have today, the resource today to investigate things. So we just did what we were told to do, because that's just the way it was supposed to work. Today, we wonder. So sometimes I often ask people, I got to tell you the story. Is this woman, because I'm waiting, you probably heard her maybe you haven't heard, it's funny. Because I'm waiting for this to caramelize a little bit, and now I'm going to put this, okay? This is we got a little caramelization on the onion, right? You see it? You see it right there, friends? Oh, yeah, now here you go. So, this lady was cooking a ham, and she's leaving the bone on it. And she bought it with a bone on it. And the lady said, no, it's not a ham, it was a leg of lamb. What am I talking about? Grandma, why are you leaving the leg of lamb in there? Oh, Mom, why do you leave the leg of lamb in there with a bone in it? Oh, I don't know, that's just the way my mom did it. Oh, okay. Grandma, why do you leave the bone in it in the leg of lamb? Oh, because it's not a good part of the lamb, and that's just the way my mom did it. Huh. Well, lucky for this young girl, a great-grandma is still alive. Call great-grandma. Great-grandma, why do you leave the leg of the lamb in? Oh, that's because my oven was too small. The moral of the story, a lot of time we do things just because somebody told us to do. We don't know why. So investigate. I don't know why I told you the story, but it is what it is. Friends, we're looking good right here, right? Bell peppers, I didn't tell you how I cut them, but I cut them in julienne, and I cut the julienne in half. You see, look. See, the julienne cut in half. See, cut in half. All right? So now we're going to take a little bit of that flour, and we're going to dust it in here. Just a little bit, look. Just a little bit of that flour right there. We're going to dust it, and we're going to mix it up. And now we're going to have to be careful, because this is when things are going to stick. So what we do, before they stick, we take some chicken stock, which we have right there. Chicken broth, chicken stock, whatever you got. All right? And now you make sure nothing sticks in the bottom of your pot. Be careful now, friends. Well, that camera over there, it's not going to like all that steam in there. You see? Look. You see? No lumps here, friends. And you see, look how beautiful we're looking. Okay, we're done with this. We're done with the sauteing it to give it a color. Look. You see how beautiful we're looking already? Just a little bit of flour, friends, you see? Look how beautiful. And look. You see the bottom of the pot, friends? Nothing sticks. We're looking beautiful. Little more of this. All right, now we're going to put some paprika. I got 3 tablespoons of paprika. We're going to put the garlic. And I got 3, 4, 5 cloves garlic, very small. And I cut them so small, friends. So small. We're looking beautiful here. Remember, I turned the heat off, huh? Just wanted some color. That's all I wanted. The heat is off. Okay, the garlic, very, very small. Very small. I took the garlic and I sliced it very thin. What kind of technique is that? Sometimes I wonder. I'm like, how are you going to learn it? Hey, taking the garlic, go. Taking the cut very thin. All right, look. 1 cup of tomato puree. 1 cup of tomato puree. We got some beautiful color. We're going to put a little more chicken stock. And, Mamma mia, made a mess. That's okay. We're going to clean it up. And then I'm going to take my chicken. I'm going to submerge it. Submerge. You see? This is simple, right? This, my friend, anybody can do. Anybody can do this dish. Let's turn this off. We're going to put a half a cup, maybe not, maybe a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream. Yeah, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, my friends. That's all you need. And this is going to cook for about 45 minutes at low heat. At the end, we're going to add a little bit of, so that was about a quarter cup. Yeah, kind of started a cup, about a quarter cup. Yeah, quarter cup. I'm going to add a little bit of chopped parsley. I'm going to add some chopped chives. And at the end, I'll add some sour cream. I don't like to cook the sour cream, so I'll add it at the end. And that's all there is to it. To bring it to boil, and we cook it slowly on the stove for about 45 minutes. And we're going to serve that with a beautiful pasta. You can serve it with whatever makes you happy, my friends. All right, here it is. We'll be back. Now, how simple was that? You know what I got to do? Put a little more salt. And then I'll test it later. Put just a little more salt now, because the only salt that I put in was in the flour. So we're going to put a little more salt. All right, friends, I'll be back in a few minutes when this is cooked. How simple was that? And this is so delicious. You know, I decided to do more chicken because everybody's asking for it. But for those of you that are wondering sometimes, what do I cook? When you go to the channel, go to the playlist. There's a playlist for chicken. And then only chicken. And you see how many there is. Because so many people say, oh, you don't do enough chicken recipe. Mamma mia, I got so many of them in there. I probably have 15, 20, right, Jack? 15, 20, 17, 18, 19, 20, 24. Mamma mia, I don't know what that is. Anyway, friends, it's on the playlist. We'll be back in a few minutes when this is cooked. Okay, friends, about 45 minutes went by. You'll check about 45 minutes is good, right? So now we're going to take I cooked a little cavatelli pasta. Some people make a dumpling, and you certainly can make dumpling with it. I find it a lot easier, and to tell you the truth, tastes better. I mean, you can make great dumpling, and I take a little cavatelli pasta, which is like a, if you look at it, it's kind of look like it looks like a dumpling, right? We're gonna saute a little butter in there, and then we're gonna put the cavatelli pasta in the butter really quick, and the chicken is done. I mean, really, really, really done, friends. Very, very simple. So we're gonna take the pasta and just see the way I do it. Very simple, right? Boom. I like to make things simple for you guys at home. I don't want to do things that are so complicated. Go, oh, we can't do this. I see it all the time. People that do things too complicated. But a little bit of chopped parsley in here. And I put butter in there just in case I didn't put enough. You put a little more butter. Nobody's going to complain there's too much butter, right? I got a lot of salt in the water when I cook the pasta, so I don't need any, but I'm going to put a little bit of cracked black pepper in that pasta. You see? And then that's going to make it look really nice, you see? Bang! Maybe just a touch more salt at the end. And voila. All we're going to do, friends, very simple, eh? You know, I like to keep things as simple as possible. We're going to take a spoon. And we're going to take this beautiful pasta. Look how beautiful that is. I'll tell you what. I like it better than dumpling. That's why I do it. I do things that are easy. So then you guys can do it at home. You see? Look how beautiful that is. Right? Cavatelli. great pasta, cavatelli. All right, now we're going to take the chicken. We're going to take a chicken leg. And we're going to take it and come over here, you. Come back over here, you. Oh, let me do it here so I don't mess up anything. Very simple, right? We're going to take a little bit of the sauce. Let me get a clean spoon. A little bit of the sauce. I could have taken a bigger plate. That would have looked better. You know what I'm going to do? For the thumbnail, friends, I'm going to make a nice a platter. I'm going to make a nice, beautiful platter. So if you want to serve it as a platter, it'll be nice. And then one more thing we need to do, friends. We don't want the plate to be dirty. We hate dirty plate, right? We take a little sour cream. We're going to take a little bit of sour cream, and we're going to put it right on there, just simple like this. Let it fall. Hey, let it fall. Even if you don't want it to fall, for a little bit of chives. And right there, my friends, you have the easiest, one of the easiest chicken dish that you can possibly prepare, my friends. It's very simple, eh? There's nothing complicated about this. And you see, and the meat is going to be beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You see, look. Did I put some on my fingers? Yes, I put some all over my fingers. I made a mesh. My friend, it's delicious. I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell. Thanks for watching, friends. What was that? What the hell was that?
40.
40? Holy
It's like 37, 38, something like that.
chicken?
Yeah.
Holy